In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit social media links in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify dashboard to update the icons and links that appear, usually in your store's footer, so your customers can easily find and follow you on your social channels. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, orders, and analytics. From here, we're going to move into the section that controls how your storefront looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will open up a menu where you can manage your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and more. Under Online Store, you should see your current theme listed, along with options to customize it. Next, look for the button that lets you edit or customize your theme. Depending on your version of Shopify, it may say customize instead of edit theme, but it takes you to the same place, the theme editor. Click that button to open the visual editor for your storefront. Once the theme editor loads, you'll see a preview of your store on the right and a sidebar on the left with sections and settings. In the theme editor, look for the gear icon, usually labeled Theme Settings. This is where the global settings for your theme live, such as colors, typography, and social media links. Click on the gear icon to open those settings. Inside theme settings, scroll down until you see an option labeled social media. It might be under a category like social or similar, but it will clearly mention social media. Click on that to open the social media settings panel. Here you'll see fields for different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and others supported by your theme. Click into any field to edit the URL. You can paste in the full link to your profile, or remove a link if you no longer use that platform. As soon as you have a valid link in a field, the corresponding icon will automatically appear on your storefront, usually in the footer and sometimes in the header, depending on your theme. When you're happy with your changes, don't forget the most important part. Click Save at the top right of the editor. This will publish your updated social links to your live store, so visitors can start